Okay, simplify this thing. Need to times the top and the bottom by the same, but with the opposite sign. So by 5 root 3, 5 root 3 plus 7. So times the top by 5 root 3 plus 7. Okay, expand your brackets carefully. Okay, 15 root 3 root 3. We'll come back and simplify all of these at the end. 7 times 3 root 3 is 21 root 3. 1 times 5 root 3, 5 root 3. 1 times 7, 7. Same thing on the bottom line, and we should see why we chose this. So that's 5 times 5, 25 root 3 times root 3. Then we've got root 3, 5 root 3 times 7. Again, 35 root 3 minus, done those two, minus 7 times root 5, minus 7 times 5 root 3, 35 root 3, and minus 7 times positive 7, minus 49. I'm going to simplify each of those bits now. Root 3 times root 3 is 3, 15 times 3, 15 times 3, 45, 21 lots and 5 lots is 26 lots, that's root 3, and we've got 7 on the end, so really that's 52 plus 26 lots of root 3 on the top. Bottom line, 25 lots of, remember that's 3, 75 plus 35 lots minus 35 lots, disappear, minus 49, 75 minus 49 is 26. Now I should be thinking, oh, actually 52 is divisible by 26, also, so is 26. So this is the same as 52 over 26 plus 26 lots of root 3 over 26. 52 divided by 26 is 2. 26 lots of root 3 divided by 26 is just root 3. Okay, done. So you're getting one method mark for attempting to do this. One method mark there. Actually expanding all of your terms out on the numerator was one method mark. Getting it right was important. This stage, reducing that down to this was one method mark, and then one final answer mark at the end. Second part of that question then, simplify the next one along. I'll just turn this bit of paper upside down, there we go. So, you can see I made a mistake on that one, I'll start again, terrible. So, part B, root 12 times root 24 plus root 150 over root 3 minus 36 over root 2. Right, so you're trying to simplify this, okay? Well, to start with, I know that this middle term is the same as 150 over 3, which is root 50. Root 36 over root 2 times the top and the bottom by root 2. Remember, it doesn't change the fraction, just makes it 36 root 2 over root 2 times root 2, which is 2, which gives you 18 root 2. So that last term is 18 root 2, 18 root 2. Remember, you could multiply this all up, make it bigger, or you could think of each thing on their own. Root 12 is the same as root 4, root 3, which is 2 root 3. Root 24 is the same as any square numbers that go into 24, 4 again. 4 times 6, that gives you 2 root 6. Okay, so that doesn't really help too much, but we're timesing them together, so it's 2 root 3 times 2 root 6, which is 2 times 2 is 4, root 3 times root 6 is root 18. So I still can't collect this lot together because they're all completely different. So keep trying to simplify things. Root 50 is root 25 root 2, so that's 5 root 2. So I've got both these last two terms in root 2, so maybe I can simplify this a little bit. 4 root 18 is the same as 4 times root 9 root 2. Root 9 is the same as 3, so this is 4 times 3 times root 2, which is 12 root 2. So I've got 12 root 2 plus 5 root 2 minus 18 root 2. So I've got 17 root 2 minus 18 root 2, and these with minus a root 2. So you've just got to keep picking apart each little bit, each little one, and splitting them up. Okay?